Hey everyone, and welcome to This Explainer. Look, if you're tuning in, you probably already know that artificial intelligence is totally shaking up how we work. But today, our goal is highly specific. We're going to transform you from a casual novice into a highly effective collaborator with Anthropic's Claude AI. We're going to strip away all the hype and build the foundational skills you actually need. But let me ask you something. Are you still using AI as basically a glorified search engine? Are you stuck in that familiar chatbot rut where you just ask a simple question and get a generic, frankly boring answer back? If so, you're barely scratching the surface here. Claude was built from the ground up to be a genuine partner for your deep focus work. It understands complex context, it works directly with your files, and it pairs raw machine intelligence with your unique human expertise. All right, so here's our structured roadmap for today. We'll hit 1. Mastering the Claude basics. 2. Organizing work with projects. 3. Customizing your writing style. 4. Deep dives with research mode. And finally, 5. Automating tasks with connectors. Okay, let's jump right into step 1. Mastering the Claude basics. So the fundamental truth of working with a powerful AI collaborator is that it requires incredibly precise communication. Quality input is literally the only way you're going to get quality output. To nail this, you should adopt this 5-part framework. First, assign Claude a role, like say an expert copywriter. Second, provide context. What's the background story here? Third, define the exact task. Fourth, specify the format. Maybe you need a table or bullet points. And fifth, set constraints. These are the strict rules it has to follow, like a strict word count.
Let's actually look at this in practice. Think of a bad prompt like a really vague coffee order. A weak, ambiguous prompt looks like this. Write something about our product. That's just a blind wish. Contrast that with a strong, precise blueprint. Act as a marketing manager. We're launching an eco-friendly pet brand. Write a 150-word email. Use a friendly tone, no buzzwords. You see how that hits all 5 steps? By applying this framework, you stop merely asking questions and you actually start directing the AI. Now, where you execute these prompts is a big deal. The Claude desktop app gives you 3 distinct environments. Chat mode is your familiar go-to for quick brainstorming and drafting. But Cowork mode? That's a total game changer. It's built for deep focus, allowing Claude to securely access your local project directories, meaning it can analyze the specific files right there on your computer. And finally, Code mode acts as an integrated development partner, running directly inside your terminal to help you build and test software. Moving right along to step 2, organizing work with projects. Okay, so once you start using these advanced frameworks and digging into local files, you really need a way to stop your work from becoming an absolute disorganized mess. Projects are the answer. Think of them as dedicated memory vaults. Instead of having to start from scratch every single time you open a new chat, a project provides a self-contained workspace for whatever ongoing task you have. So, when you return to your Q2 marketing campaign or that massive quarterly financial analysis, Claude instantly remembers the entire context. But to make these memory vaults truly powerful, you've got to fuel them up. Here's exactly what you should be uploading into these folders. First, foundational documents, like your company's brand guidelines. Next, specific knowledge files, and that could be a 50-page PDF report, a huge spreadsheet, or an entire code base. Finally, drop in custom instructions for the workflow. Doing this preloads Claude with the deep context it needs to act as a fully briefed team member before you even type a single prompt. Next up, step 3. Customizing your writing style. Look, a super common frustration is that AI often sounds, like AI, kind of robotic. But you can actually train Claude to sound exactly like you. It's just a simple 3-step process. First, pop open your settings and create a custom style. Second, and this is the magic step, paste in a sample document or a past email that you've written. Third, just let Claude analyze the tone. It will literally extract the mechanics of your authentic voice, your average sentence length, your vocabulary, your pacing, and seamlessly apply that to all its future outputs. You can also feed it explicit instructions right alongside your sample. Consider this real-world example. This is my style. I try to write with short sentences in simple language. No specifics. Sign off as Maxime. By combining a text sample with direct, explicit rules just like this, you ensure Claude drafts emails or reports that genuinely sound like they came right off your own keyboard. All right, let's level up to step 4, deep dives with research mode. Okay, this is where we unlock Claude's absolute superpower as a systematic investigator. Get this, 413.
That is the staggering number of different web sources Claude synthesized in a single, real-world deep research session to create a comprehensive social media strategy. It doesn't just give you a generic top-level answer. It literally scours hundreds of sources, synthesizes the data, and delivers a multi-page report complete with verifiable citations. So how in the world does it pull this off? It uses a feature called extended thinking. When you toggle this on, you're basically telling Claude, hey, slow down and show your work. You force the AI model to reason step by step for a longer period before it actually generates an answer. Now, yes, it takes a bit longer, sometimes 5 to 10 minutes for massive queries, but the trade-off is a staggering improvement in accuracy and analytical depth. It completely turns Claude into an evidence-based research powerhouse. And finally, we arrive at step 5, automating tasks with connectors. This right here is the ultimate level of automation, where we're actually hooking Claude directly into your live daily digital schedule. Claude doesn't have to exist in a vacuum anymore. Using the Model Context Protocol, which you can kind of think of as a universal USB-C cable for AI, Claude can safely plug into your existing cloud applications. These native web connectors include incredibly powerful integrations for your daily workflow, like Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Calendar. Because of these connectors, you can casually ask totally autonomous questions about your live data. Just open the chat and ask, hey, do I have any important emails unanswered? Or anything planned today after 4 p.m.? Claude will independently check your live schedule and your inbox, read the contents, and report back to you instantly. This entirely eliminates that tedious need to manually download and re-upload files every single day. Your AI is officially plugged in. So, as we wrap up this roadmap, keep this in mind. The real skill of the future is AI fluency. It's about developing the judgment to partner effectively with the machine. Mastering everything we've covered today isn't just about memorizing which buttons to click. It's about knowing exactly when to delegate, how to precisely articulate your needs using that 5-part framework, and how to utilize projects and connectors to offload your most complex, time-consuming work. We've gone from basic prompting all the way to deep research and automated workflows. You now have the blueprint to stop treating AI as some novelty search engine and start utilizing it as a highly capable partner. So I'll leave you with this provocative thought. What are you going to build with your new collaborator? Take these tools, open up Claude, and go start a first project today. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and keep learning.